Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? Today, we're delving into SPY, following up on our initial report from Thursday, March 7, 2024, with even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of potential market shifts that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of 25,000 companies globally today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a strong buy candidate with a score of 5.45. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have seen a significant gain of 19.53% since we initially recommended SPY as a buy candidate 86 days ago. This results in an average daily return of 0.23% since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a narrow and strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the top trend line at $515.24 would indicate a stronger rate of ascent. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.56% change over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 7.94% to 10.65%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 21.53% change over the next year, offering potential returns between 4.55% and 21.06%. This translates to a price range of $538.23 to $623.18 after 12 months. Our latest update on SPY reveals a stronger technical forecast for the ETF price following Thursday's trading. The SPY ETF price increased by 0.99% on Thursday, climbing from $509.75 to $514.79. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.19%, with a low of $509.81 and a high of $515.89. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 1.44% increase over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on Thursday, totaling 57 million shares exchanged with a value of around $29.51 billion. It's essential to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal future changes in the market. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for the ETF was $515.89, while the lowest was $380.65. Currently, the price stands at 0.21% below the 52-week high, at $1.10 lower than $515.89, marking the all-time high for the ETF. Today's signals for SPY are mostly positive. The stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average above the long-term average. Support levels can be found at $510.17 and $497.40, with sell signals triggered if these levels are breached. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on January 31, 2024, resulting in a 6.6% increase. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also shows a buy signal. However, volume fell despite price gains, signaling a potential divergence to monitor closely. Notably, the ETF had a golden star signal on March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This rare signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge, often leading to significant gains for the ETF. Keep a close eye on these signals for potential investment opportunities. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see short moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average, by signal 81 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 70 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $482.91 and $472, based on accumulated volume. There is a natural risk when testing a support level, as a break could lead to a fall to the next support level. SPY's next support levels are at $482.91, $472, and $469.33. Overall, SPY shows controlled movements with good liquidity, resulting in low risk. The daily price range is $6.08 or 1.19%, while the weekly average volatility is 0.88%. Now, let's explore potential day trading levels for SPY. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating a possible swift upward movement. Consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, SPY faces its initial support at $482.91. If this support holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point with potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $491.52, reflecting a decrease of 4.52%. This ETF demonstrates minimal daily fluctuations, translating to lower risk. Additionally, a buy signal was identified from a pivot bottom 25 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY shows positive signals and is in a strong upward trend. Following the trend can be beneficial. We believe it is a good choice at current levels and anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Our analysis now rates this ETF as a strong buy, an upgrade from the previous buy rating. Considering the volatility and recent movements, our system suggests that the current price is inflated. For trading on Friday, March 8, we predict SPY to open lower by -$1.29 at $513.50. It's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you are responsible for your own investment outcomes. Presenting our current analysis of the stock. Share your views in the comments. What's your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for successful trading. Have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.